Here's how to fix error 403 fast and easy. Most of the time, you just don't have permission to access that specific page. But start by refreshing the page with Ctrl F5 to force a fresh load. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch that fixes itself. When that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, press Ctrl-Shift-Delete to bring up the Clear Browsing Data menu. Old cached data can mess with new security settings on websites. Select cached images and files, plus cookies and other site data. Choose a time range of at least 24 hours, or all time if the problem keeps happening. Click Clear Data and try loading the page again. Double-check the URL you're trying to access to. A single typo or wrong character can trigger a 403 error. Copy the link fresh from a trusted source if you can. Your VPN might be the problem. Many websites block VPN connections for security reasons. Turn it off temporarily and see if the page loads. Try a different browser while you're at it. If it works in Firefox but not Chrome, then something's wrong with your Chrome setup specifically. Check if the website is down for everyone or just you. Use a site like Down for Everyone or justme.com to verify. If it's down for everyone, then you just have to wait for the site owners to fix it. Flush your DNS cache to clear any outdated routing information. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flush DNS and press enter. This forces your computer to get fresh DNS information. Then refresh the page with Ctrl F5 to force a fresh load. These are some of the common ways to fix this error. Hope this helps.